natin, tumitingin yan. Kasi ang tingin namin dyan, it's a celebration ng buhay ni Mother sa atin. Who came to gather us from previous life encounters as provoking to demonstrate to us unconditional love. Okay, balik tayo, punta tayo kay Joseph, kay James Joseph. It's true, it embodied the negative vibration ng people on earth. Pero ang magandang positive dito, his death liberated the souls of the innocently. So it's a matter of who looks at it. Okay. So, hindi tayo matatapos dito.
I-erase natin itong mga WTF. Okay, this one is equal to the blood of Joseph. Who liberated the souls who died innocently from the hands of their oppressors. Ganyan ba? Yung hindi maganda, i-ano natin, sa kagalitan ni Joseph, as he embodied the negative vibration of the people on earth and liberated the souls from the hands of the oppressors. Yan na lang,
Ano nga sabi niya eh, kundi paraphrase. Paraphrase is important, is the gist, the essence, the message.
Let's concentrate on this unconditional love of Mother during the consecration. I think that's better.
Ito is my mother, walang problema.
And also with Joseph, liberated us from something. We have to delete some of the violent words here, statement like violent death, as suffered by Jesus Joseph. We have to delete it, I think.
So, who embodied the negative vibration of the people on earth and liberated, hindi na kapanisip lang.
Jesus Joseph,
Who embodied violent death of him. So, ito, kapanis death of your in it. He liberated the souls who died. Who liberated the souls from